Hi guys, so this is just weird because I was about to say welcome back to my YouTube channel because the amount of times I've sat here and been like doing my makeup and I'm like, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry if the lighting keeps changing. Obviously I haven't really got the best setup going at the moment. I've just got my mirror in front of me with the light and I'm in front of a window, but I'll try and sort that out. Today I'm going to be doing, I don't know if it's called a get ready with me or an everyday makeup routine, I don't know, but I'm just getting ready to go out with my friend, so I just thought why not record what's happening in the makeup I do every day. I'm a bit cold, so I was a bit chilly, so put the scarf on. So basically I've already done my eyebrows and carved them out, and to do that I've just stuck everything in the makeup bag to bring it down to get ready with me with. I'll just use the Anastasia Dipbrow in dark brown, and I'll use, what makeup brush is this? It's the Makeup Revolution E104 brush to do them. I'll use my eyebrows, and then to carve it out I'll just use this CYO brush with the PLouise base in Rumour 02. So use them two to carve out my eyebrows and just do the base of my eyelids. But when I'm just going about day to day, I don't really do eyeshadow because I'm not going to do that today. And I've done my mascara, but normally I'd have my lash extensions, but I've just taken them out because I didn't have that many left, and then I went out at the weekend and I wanted to put false lashes on, but like it weren't working with the lash extensions, do you know what I mean? So I had to take them out. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to get started with the base of my makeup, so my face, because I've done all my eyes and everything. Sorry if I keep looking down here, that's where my mirror is, so I just need to be able to look there. So at the moment, I was using, before this I was using the Lash Glow Foundation, but since I've literally spent like the past 3 weeks on holiday, so I'm darker now. So I've just gone back to using my Maybelline, what one even is it? Super Cell 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Caramel Beige. I'm sorry I've got chewing gum in. Probably makes me look awful. I've just used this stippling brush from Dipbrow to put that on. I don't use it to put it all over my face, I literally just like, do you know what I mean, like apply the, this is why I can never be a makeup artist, because I don't know what I'm talking about. Only my friends are going to watch this, if it's fine. I literally just like put the basic bits down. And then if I feel like I need a little bit more, because you know, we want to hide every part of ourselves, so I'll just whack a bit more on. Okay, so once I've done that, I'll just use my beauty blender to blend all of that in. I really do need my lash extensions doing again though. They make life so much easier. I hate just wearing mascara because my lashes are so stubby, and mascara's one of the things that you never want to buy. Do you know what I mean? Like, you don't walk into the shop and think, oh yeah, I really want to spend money on this new mascara. Like lipsticks, foundation, I'm like, yeah. When it comes to mascara, I'm just like, no, I don't want to do it. Who did I learn this trick off? I remember watching someone's video and they give themselves a double chew to blend the foundation down to their neck, which I thought was quite a good idea. I am losing my tan a little bit, but I'll make everything match. Don't worry about me. Oh, and to prep my face as well, I just used the Benefit Professional. Before that I used the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel Moisturiser. Got the foundation all blended out. I'm then going to go on to concealer, and I actually use, at the moment I've run out, I used the Maybelline Fit Me. So I've been using the PLouise base again for my concealer. But it does the trick. And I did look, and some people use it on their under eye, so I guess there's no rules to makeup. It's just a bit light. I've just applied that underneath my eyes, down my nose, and chin and forehead. Then I'm just going to go ahead and blend again. I have this really weird thing. I've got such a big like frown line on my forehead. I don't know if it's because I'm constantly in a mood or angry, but like it's just, you can't really see it, but when I do my makeup it like sinks in. You have to blend it in, and then I'll quickly get my powder. I don't really put powder anywhere else. I only put it, and then I use the Stay Matte powder. But I only put it on my forehead because that's where it all creases up. Anywhere else I just like to keep it not too powdery looking, if that makes sense. Next step is I'll use the Hoola by Benefit bronzer. I do like to use a lot of bronzer. And I'm using the Moda Pro brush in BMX 175 flat powder brush. My lips literally like disappear into my foundation, so I put bronzer underneath them to make them look bigger, and then I overline them. As you'll see, don't really care, I'll admit it. Once I think I've got enough bronzer on, I'll take my beauty blender and I'll put, it's dual washes, okay? I'll put powder on and I'll just go underneath. Leave that there for like 2 minutes, and then I'll just brush it away with the powder brush I was using, which is just a Morphe brush. As you can see though, I don't have sets of brushes, I just use whatever the fuck I can get my hands on. Right. I'm actually dead. How did that stop? That's my dog, sorry. My phone's on charge and my dog knocked it. Do you want to say hello? Since you're the culprit, you can say hello. Wave. Right, so before I do my highlighter, I spray the Anastasia Dewy Set onto my face. I'm so sorry about my dog's footsteps. Oh, it smells like coconut. It's so nice. And then I'll use, where is my, oh here you go. So I use a Morphe highlighter brush. I use the Anastasia Nicole Guerriero Glowkit. So I normally use Glowkit and Daydreamer mixed together. I love highlighter. I do go overboard, I'm not gonna lie. And to set my face before I do my lips, I use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Again, it just smells so nice. This is my favourite part of doing makeup. I don't know why, but it just is. I literally use like the same lip products to do my lips pretty much. Whether I'm just going out in the day or night, it just depends how much I use. You know what, I'm not even gonna bullshit. I did use a Morphe lip pencil, but I've lost it. So for the time being, I'm literally using an eyebrow pencil in dark brown. Yellow. And then once I apply my lips, I use the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Hepburn Honey. It's literally the best nude lipstick ever. And then I'll use the Peaches and Cream lip gloss in Black Chat. Yeah. And then a bit of mascara on the lower lashes. And then I am done. That is my everyday makeup routine. Spray a bit of Alien to finish myself off. And I am done. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a bit all over the place, cameras falling over, Dogs pattering around. Weird setup, but you know, it's my first video, so don't judge me too much. I'm not like taking this that serious at the moment, so it's just a bit of fun, so please don't be mean. Let me know what you want me to do for my next video, and I'll try my hardest to do it. I want to do a haul or something next, but let me know what you'd like to see. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll put all the stuff I used in the description as well, in case I missed it out, because I know I'm stupid like that.